Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial of DocsBot AI. So for today, I will be giving you a walkthrough in managing teams. So first off, make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you're signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your plan, of the bots that you have, the sources and pages, and also the plan and billing, plus the team management. So you can either use team management here, or you can opt to go to the team tab by using the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. I'm going to go ahead and click that. So this is how it looks like, the team tab. So you will see the current team that you're in, and then the name of your team, and also, of course, your team members. So for the current team, you can actually switch the teams here by clicking this button. So I'm going to switch mine to DocsBot Staff Admin. And then I can have the option to rename my team right here. And you will see the team members right under the name of your team. So to add a new team member, you can just go ahead and click this button. And then let's do the example. So John M. example. I'm going to type in an example team member that I'm going to send an invite to. Then once that team member is invited, they will be receiving an email to access the bots that you have. So that's it, guys. That's how you can share your bots and your trained bots to your team members. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.